Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home job. Of course, this one is for my United States only, folks, and it pays very well. But real quickly, before we dive in, if you're new here, this channel is all about helping you find the best work from home jobs available. So I bring them to you on a daily basis so that you can work from home and have the best, healthiest, happiest life with that work-life balance. So make sure you're subscribed if you never want to miss another upload from me. But today's job lead is from the company Facet Wealth. Now, Facet Wealth is a financial technical company and they specialize in financial planning. They are hiring a remote full-time work from home product support specialist. Now, this is non-phone based. Your day-to-day responsibilities as a product specialist would be the face of the Facet Wealth to the customer. You would provide them timely, professional, and friendly customer app support. You will manage and maintain the support messaging inbox to ensure that all inquiries are routed to the appropriate specialist. You'll answer questions regarding product functionality. You'll diagnose issues and provide solutions to the customer's questions, and you'll troubleshoot any tech issues they are having with the Facet app. So you may be asked to contribute to the coding, writing, and documenting solutions to help troubleshoot questions and issues like a frequently asked questions. And you'll also have to follow up with clients that have low CSAT and NPS or other survey results to address their concerns. Now, this position does not require any kind of college degree. They are asking that you have a minimum of 2 to 3 years of related experience providing technical support, that you're available to work a rotating schedule between 8 p.m. Eastern Time and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, that you are analytical and data driven, that you always try your best, and they want you to be patient and empathetic because this is a customer service role. They do have a list of preferred skills that are not required, including having experience with managing message inboxes previously. They want someone who has experience with previous phone support or chat support, but again, that is not required. Now, this position does pay $60,000 to $75,000 a year plus bonuses, and those bonuses are determined by your experience, knowledge, skills, and the abilities of the applicant. They do offer a benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, and PTO, and it says you can work anywhere from the United States, so they do not have any state restrictions. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.